Hello there, I'm Dr. James Fedich, Village Family Clinic here in Hackettstown, New Jersey. One of the most commonly asked questions we get here is about DOT physicals. And that question is, do DOT physicals require a drug test? So we do a lot of DOT tests. We're certified medical examiners. There's 3 of us here. We're also certified in drug and alcohol testing. I think there's 6 of us certified in drug and alcohol testing here as well. For drug screenings for DOT, CDL physicals, also breathalyzer. We have breathalyzer and certified in alcohol training. We do about 50 DOT physicals per week. We do more than anyone around. I was personally one of the first doctors who got certified in New Jersey. So we do a lot of this. So it's a great question. Do you need a drug test for DOT physical? The short answer is no, you do not, but we're going to explain that a little bit better. So there's kind of 3 different things here. If you're getting your regular DOT, CDL medical exam for medical exam certificate, you do not need a drug test. But we will hand you one of these pee cups when you come in, and you do have to urinate in that cup. So a lot of times people are scared there's a drug test. That is not a drug test. We're going to use that for a reagent strip here. And it's a quick strip, and all we're testing is proteins in the urine, pH, blood, specific gravity, ketones, glucose. So it's just looking for like major disease processes in there. There might be something going on that you don't know about. One of the main things we're looking at is for glucose in the urine as well, to see if there is some sort of uncontrolled diabetes or something going on with your medication. But there is no drug screen for a normal DOT physical. So that'll answer that question. Now, going into more depth, though, we do drug testing here. So there's 2 different drug tests we do here. There's an instant CLIA, this is an instant drug test cup. So we do this quite a bit. So you can actually do this for non-DOT purposes only. The DOT will only accept a federal drug test, which we'll talk about next. But for just a rapid instant drug test, these are really good now. In 5 minutes, you get a drug test result and adulterant test. So we'll know if someone's been trying to cheat it. But this will test for 15 drugs here in a matter of just minutes. Amphetamines, barbiturates, benzos, cocaine, ecstasy, methadone, marijuana, methamphetamines, opiates, oxycodone, PCP, TCA, antidepressants. So it'll all that, 15 different tests and 5-6 different adulterants, all within 5 minutes. So if you need random drug testing for your employees, staff, anything like that, post-accident, we just did, someone thought they were high on work, we can do an instant for you. DOT regulations will not accept an instant. It needs to be sent to a certified lab. We're not allowed, there's only about 5 labs in the country that do that, and it needs to be collected here by a certified collector, which we are, and we send it off to a certified lab. So it's a different drug test. That only tests for 5 drugs, and this is the official DOT form. So as part of DOT or CDL regulations, you need to have a federal lab do the test results. We are a certified lab under Medicare, but like I said, there's only 5 labs allowed to do these. We collect it here. You need to be collected by a certified collector. We fill out the paperwork and it gets FedEx to a federal lab, and you'll see right on the top of the form, federal. There has to be a certified lab, certain paperwork. They only do 5 different things: THC, COCs, PCPs, opiates, and amphetamines. They're going to test for 5 things on there. That's used for random drug testing. Pre-employment, they'll use that a lot. And there's regulations that for a car accident, you need one of these drug tests as well. So if it's a federal need for DOT, CDL physicals, we do those as well. That's a federal drug testing form. Be shipped off to a lab. Results in days to weeks, actually. So sometimes if there's something tricky on there, it can take weeks to get results. So it's just something important to know. So again, if you're just a DOT, CDL medical exam, regular medical certificate that you send in for to the DOT every couple of years, or the DMV every couple of years, no drug test on there, so don't worry about that. We're just testing your general health screening really on that urine test, but you do need to urinate in a cup. So be ready to go to the bathroom when you get your medical exam. If you want to get yours here, give us a call or text 908-813-8200. We have 3 certified medical examiners, open 9 to 7 every day. We love trucks. We have a huge parking lot, love truck drivers, love trucks. So come on down and get your CDL physical anytime, 908-813-8200.